If you clicked on this video, then you're probably wondering what Forex is. Put simply, Forex, or foreign exchange, is the place where currencies are traded around the world. And that means you can exchange any type of currency for another. Here's how it works. Currencies are traded in pairs. When you buy a currency, you're selling another currency at the same time. To buy and sell currencies in the Forex market, you have to be aware of the constant changes to the values of these currencies, as they are often affected by economical, political, and environmental factors. So take advantage of these fluctuations to increase your profits. Forex is a global decentralized market, meaning it's open 24 hours, 5 days a week at all locations. You can access it anywhere you want, even on your phone from the comfort of your own home. Did you know? Forex is the highest traded market in the world, trading at around $5 trillion every single day. CGFX.